I'm gonna do this and I'm gonna do this right, but like I'm trying really hard not to be loud because my mom is upstairs with her husband and they are asleep. And my sister's calling me. Give me 1 second. Hello? I'm making YouTube videos. What are you doing? Of me. What? Okay, well, that was like a waste of my answer. But, I'm here. I've been on some other people's videos. I don't know if y'all have seen them, but I was on them, and it was kind of fun. So I was like, if everybody else get their own YouTube channel, like, why can't I get mine? So, I'm here, and it's like 4:55 a.m., so it's 4:50 something in the morning, and I'm up making YouTube videos. Okay, just letting y'all know that I'm a cool person. I'm just making my intro because I didn't have any like videos to be for real up, so I'm trying to let y'all get to know me, and I'm trying to put myself out there at the same time. So it's like if y'all like want to see me do something crazy, then write on my wall, follow me, like respond to my video and tell me what y'all want to see me do, because I'm a fun person. Like, I like to make people happy. I like to make people laugh. I like to make people smile. I like to make people feel like it's about you sometimes. So if you need something done, like, let me know, because I'll be happy to just put a smile on your face, like make you laugh, giggle, even chuckle if it wasn't even that funny to you. But like, just let me know, hit me up, and I'll get it done. So my name is Pebbles Lion. Like, if you see pictures of me on other people's stuff, or like videos of me on other people's stuff who claim to be me, like, I'm just letting you know that I'm the real Pebbles. I'm Pebbles Nicole Lyons. So I only have one Facebook, one Twitter, one YouTube. This is my YouTube. My Facebook is They Yelling Pebs. My Twitter, Roxverse Bomb 16. So if y'all see anybody with something other than that, that's a fake. So just hit me up and let me know if y'all like want me to do something crazy or something fun or something silly or something stupid, because like that's my personality rolled into one. So it's like, just hit me up if you want to see something amusing done, so I can make you laugh, make you smile. I like to make people laugh. I like to let people see my smile. Okay, but if you see people claiming to be me, most people don't even know my race, but they just say that they're me on Facebook or MySpace or YouTube or Twitter. So for those people, if you want to know, I'm Cuban, black, and white. So